This project, 37.9 kilometer, we call it Bodo Boni, road project, is exactly 8 years today. The commencement of the project was on 20th of October 2017. And the initial contract sum was 120 billion naira as at 2017. And later it was augmented by the past administration to 199 billion. And there was a caveat there that the project would not be further augmented. But when we came on board, Beja insisted and they filed that agreement. But because of the commitment of Mr. President to the people of Niger Delta and the entire country, it was back and forth until the president directed, go and give them what they want. And that's how 80 billion was, further added to make the project a total of 280 billion. And for those who are asking for cost, it's still for me an estimated cost of 7.4 billion per kilometer. 7.4 billion per kilometer. And I agree, because this is a coastal route also, going through marshy lands and everything. But you will find out that if we are to do this project now, it will cost over 15 billion per kilometer by the standard of Julius Beja. Standard in terms of very high pricing that Beja is known for. But the work quality is very good, and I'm very happy with the commitment of the project manager, Timmy. He understands the job very well. Ab initio, this 5 kilometer design is very faulty, because what we should have done from the one is to use one boogie to remove the marshy, soil and the pit, and then begin to load the road with a combination of lumps and sharp sand. Recall that in Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway, we encounter pit at exactly Chenage 20, and that runs for over 5 kilometers. And that's what we did. We had to now, scoop out the pit 20 meters depth, and we started to fill with lumps and sharp sand, and today, within 3-4 months, we have a very stable, settlement. And of course, we also deployed vertical, pipes, for underground water, drainage. So that's what should have been done in the first place. Second place is that this road should have been concrete, but that's what the design was. But right now we are doing, concrete, and we don't have had, much of a problem. But let me say that I'm 100% satisfied with the quality of work that, Timmy is doing for Julius Beja. I'm very happy with the quality. I'm very happy with the precision. I'm very happy with the engineering design, other than these 5 kilometers and other than the fact that it should have been, concrete, to be used. However, I would want this project to have solar light and, trees, along the shore, the embankments. And I'm going back to check what the contingency fund, looks like, because we are not going to expand the cost by even a kobo. So if we have reasonable costs of contingency, then we use it to plant trees, and then also put solar light and CCTV. And then we also see if we can get, 1 or 2 locations for relief, stations where people can park, and where we will stand to monitor the CCTV, because security of this road is very important. But what I have agreed, because the last, when we agreed on 280 billion for the project finally, we agreed for the completion date to be September, around September 15th. But Beja, the characteristic of Beja, they shifted the goalpost and said, no, give us 11th of December. Now the 11th is coming, they say, no, it has to be next year. Now what we've agreed, are as follows. Number one, Timmy is a good man, and Timmy is doing a very fantastic job, and we want to give him benefit of the doubt. So we are shifting the goalpost again, to say, listen, by 15th of December, every job in this place should be completed except asphalt on top of these 5 kilometers. But from the 15th of the end of November, we've also agreed that this 5 kilometer should be surface with stone base. It can be 5 cm, it can be 10 cm, and then open it for traffic. So I'm directing the controller, by the end of November, go and remove all the barricades and they open the road for traffic, so that the vehicles can also help to do consolidate. And then we watch the road for December, January and February. Timmy will put the asphalt, so that we call the president to come and commission. And I want to thank you very much. I saw the concrete you did down at Bonnet Town, and that's how this road should have been. The concrete is very beautiful and very, very stable. This is what it is. So I'm happy to be here. We're celebrating the 80th year of the construction of this road, which is not the style of the President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. There's no way this road would have lasted for 2 years, and you can take bearing from what we are doing at the Coastal Highway, Lagos. And so we are justified by the cost of the Coastal Highway, 7.5 billion per kilometer, in this particular time where subsidy fuel was removed and floating of the naira compared to this project. So we say that we are very serious cost experts in the Ministry of Works, and I'm very proud with our cost elements, which we are definitely under the cost elements of Jilobeja, but we continue to quarrel until we all come to the same understanding that a lot of roads need attention in Nigeria, and so we should have a moderate cost. Yes.
Thank you, Excellency.
Thank you very much, sir.
Yes, I have 2 more words.
Yes. Okay.
First of all, it's an obligation for me, but also a satisfaction to thank you very much for these trustful words. It's really encouraging for this very challenging project, and it's not coming out of the blue. Yeah, it's coming from Your Excellency, and I'm really happy about it. That's the one. Secondly, I'm very happy that you have the trust in us even now in time. You have given us a critical challenge now, but we will meet it, and we will not delay it at all.
Thank you.
That's my full commitment and the commitment of Julius Berger.
Thank you very much.
Furthermore,
Thank you.
Furthermore,
Thank you.
I would love to ask even for more trust, as we are opening a new chapter now,
Yes.
to allow us to build even the extension to the East-West Highway, a
Yeah.
new concrete road, more or less 6 lanes.
Yeah.